The number of real roots of the equation x mod x minus 5 times modulus of x plus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. Options are 4, 3, 5, 6. Let's see the equation. So we know that modulus of x changes its nature to the right and left of 0, and modulus of x plus 2 will change its nature to the right and left of minus 2. That means we need to discuss in three zones. So let's consider case 1, when x be greater than or equal to 0. Whenever x is greater than or equal to 0, we know mod x is positive and we know modulus of x plus 2 is positive. If a quantity inside the modulus is positive, the rule is remove the modulus, take it as it is. So the equation becomes x square minus 5 times x plus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0, which can be simplified as x square minus 5x minus 10 plus 6 minus 4 is equal to 0. I don't think we can factorize this. We'll go for the formula. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. 25 plus 16, 41 divided by 2. But we have to pick those values which are positive. We know that 5 minus root 41 by 2 is negative. Therefore, we get one value for x, which is x is equal to 5 minus root 41 divided by 2, which satisfies x greater than or equal to 0. 5 plus root 41 by 2, which is satisfying the criteria x is positive. If I take 5 minus root 41 by 2, root 41 is more than 5, so it becomes negative. But we have imposed a condition x should be positive. So case 2, we have to discuss. We have already discussed in this zone. Now we have to discuss this zone. So what is that zone? Minus 2 less than or equal to x less than 0. X takes these values. When x takes values between minus 2 and 0, mod x is negative. So you remove the modulus, attach a negative sign. If modulus of x plus 2 will be positive. So remove the modulus, take it as it is. So what happens to the equation? The equation becomes minus x square minus 5 times x plus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0, which can be rewritten as minus x square minus 5x minus 10 plus 6 minus 4 is equal to 0, which is nothing but x square plus 5x plus 4 is equal to 0. This can be factorized as x plus 4 into x plus 1 is equal to 0, which gives me x is equal to minus 4 or x is equal to minus 1. But the criteria is x has to lie between minus 2 and 0. Therefore, there is one solution, namely x is equal to minus 1, which also satisfy the criteria. So we have discussed in these two zones. We have to discuss in this zone. So what is the third criteria? Third criteria is x is less than minus 2. When x is less than minus 2, what is the nature of mod x? Inside the quantity x is negative. So remove the modulus, attach a negative sign. X plus 2 will also be negative. Remove the modulus, attach a negative sign. So what happens to the equation? The equation becomes minus x square plus 5 times x plus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. Let's simplify this is equal to 0. Let's simplify this. Minus x square plus 5x plus 16 is equal to 0. This becomes x square minus 5x minus 16 is equal to 0. I don't think we can factorize this. So let's find the roots by using formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square is 25 minus 4ac will be 64. 25 plus 64 will give me a 89 divided by 2. But x has to be less than minus 2. So 5 plus root 89 by 2 will be positive. So I can't take that. 5 minus root 89. Root 89 is approximately 9 point something. 5 minus 9 point something will be minus 4 point something. Divided by 2 will be minus 2 point something, which satisfies the criteria x is less than minus 2. So I get 5 minus root 89 divided by 2, which is also one solution. Therefore, the total number of solutions for the given equation will be, one solution will be 5 plus root 41 by 2, one solution will be minus 1, one solution will be 5 minus root 89 divided by 2. So let's check the options. The options are 4, 3, 5, 6. We can see there are exactly 3 solutions. So the answer to this question is option B.